Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about CNS Pharmaceuticals Inc. ticker symbol CNSP. Now, this stock has jumped by more than 31% in the last trading session, and we have seen the average volume, which was for the past 3 months was 217.28k, has surged to 24 million shares in the last trading session. So let's see why this move has happened and any reason behind this move. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all notification button to get my updated video notification. Now, if you're looking at this particular stock right now, we do not have anything based on which we can actually say that this is down or this is up. But what we do have are certain indications over here. So what are those indications? That because of this price change, at least the past month as well as past week's performance have been increased. And apart from that, the volatility, or I would say there is a huge jump in the volatility, where the volatility has increased from, this is a month volatility of 11.16, which has increased to 21.27, which is the week's volatility. Apart from that, these upgrades or downgrades are way too old, so there is nothing to talk about. Apart from that, we do have some insider buy. Both are from CFOs in November as in December. I mean, these are small quantities, 4,000, 5,000 shares, but either way, there are two buys which has happened. Apart from that, there is a press release as of December 31st, so a couple of days back, that 5 beaten down biotech bets to bounce back in 2022 calendar year, and I think this is one of them. Okay, CNS Pharma. So this is what we have here. Apart from that, if you're looking at the chart, this one day move can put the stock, I would say, in a very good position or very tight spot, because from this there is a possibility or probability of recovery. So let's quickly go to the chart and let's see what's happening over here. So this is the weekly chart we have here. Okay, this is the weekly chart of CNS Pharmaceuticals, and as you can see, a quick or a very sharp move has happened. So from the current lows, it has jumped, and it has jumped at a particular point, and that particular point is actually very important. Let me show it to you. So this is the point we have here, and you can see the stock is unable to sustain. Now let me first explain you about these 2 points. So the stock has fallen down and tested a low of 70 cents, then it bounced back and it went up above 1.26 and retested 1.38, right? So what do we do now? The thing is, 1.26 was your previous support level, and when the stock breaks below 1.26, now 1.26 is acting as a resistance. Now your previous support turns into a resistance. Now we have to wait for the stock to surpass 1.26, which is our first target. Let's say once the stock surpasses 1.26, we have our next target as 1.63. After 1.63, you can say that now the upper end of the range is accessible for me. So this is a range in between which stock is moving. So after 1.63, you have your upper end which will open up for you, and there you have 2 or 3 specific targets, starting with 3.83, then you have 4.53, and you have the upper end of the range which can extend up to 5.55. With a stop loss of 70 cents, we have to wait for the stock to surpass 1.26. Once that happens, we will go for 1.63, and finally the upper end of the range, which will start with 3.8 and can go up to 5.55. Now, if you consider this Google question, that is CNS Pharmaceuticals a buy, whether it's a buy or not, it depends upon the individual's decision. But if you are looking at the chart, there are indications that the stock is moving higher. And if you're looking at the indicators, the stochastic RSI is completely oversold and it is indicating an outburst or probably an upside move. So we have to wait and see how this momentum can work out, or what are the levels we are going to look at, right? So with that, I think you can get the answer of this question. And as I told you, if certain levels get passed by the stock, the upper end of the range will be accessible for us. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, do hit the like button, and thanks for watching.